Top skills every Hadoop administrator needs in 2024. Linux proficiency. A solid understanding of Linux operating systems is essential for Hadoop administrators to navigate through the command line interface, perform system tasks, and troubleshoot issues. Scripting skills. Proficiency in scripting languages like Python or Bash scripting is crucial for automating routine tasks and streamlining processes in a Hadoop environment. Database management. Understanding database management concepts and practices is crucial for Hadoop administrators to effectively store and retrieve data in the clusters. Software development. Knowledge of software development methodologies and tools is beneficial for Hadoop administrators to develop custom solutions and integrate Hadoop with other systems. Open source technologies. Keeping abreast of the latest developments in open source technologies is essential for Hadoop administrators to stay relevant and competitive in the field. Infrastructure management. Managing infrastructure components such as servers, storage, and networking is essential for ensuring the smooth operation of Hadoop clusters. Performance tuning. Fine-tuning the Hadoop clusters for optimal performance and efficiency is a key skill that sets apart competent administrators. Monitoring and automation. Implementing robust monitoring solutions and automation tools is essential for Hadoop administrators to proactively detect issues and streamline cluster management tasks. Conclusion. In conclusion, the volume and complexity of data continue to grow. The demand for skilled Hadoop administrators is expected to rise in 2024 and beyond.